Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys on my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use phone delete sound setting on Poco phone. Friends, you want to on guys your Poco phone delete sound setting. By how to on and you delete sound setting on Poco phone in this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to on and use guys phone delete sound. And first open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on guys your Poco phone sound and vibration. Sound and vibration friends, we will on it. After on sound and vibration friends, you can see phone ringtone. Friends, you want to change your phone ringtone, alarm ringtone, notification ringtone, so you can change from here guys. Friends, you want to increase your phone volumes, media, ringtone, alarm, you can increase it. Friends, click on your phone additional setting, sound and vibration additional setting guys, tap here. As you can see, dial pad, touch sound, screen locking sound, screenshot, and play sound when installing app. So guys, play sound when deleting items, and we will tap here, come back. So when this delete sound guys, how to use. First guys, I will take some screenshots, and guys we will do the screenshot example. So friends, now we will on my phone gallery. Friends, you can see guys phone gallery. Friends, you can see that the screenshot. Friends, I will delete. Friends, you can see when I will delete the screenshot, the delete sound guy. We call get the delete sound. When you will delete, so guy we call get delete sound. So guy when you will delete guys your photos, so when you can get the delete sound setting guys, like that. And when you don't want to use the delete sound setting friends you can off from guys your phone sound and vibration additional setting guys. Again tap here. Friends, now you can delete guys your phone photo size. Again guys we will take a screenshot some. And guys now I will delete. Friends, you can see guys now we can delete without any sound. So like that guys we can use guys delete sound setting, and we can use. And when this sound guys installing app, so when you will install guys this app, and when I will on, and friends now when you will install any app, so when you can use this install app setting. So you can install app sound guys. So like the guy we can on and use this install sound app, so we will off it. So like the guy we can use guys delete sound setting on Poco phone. So bye guys.